Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. As the cooler months settle in, sniffles start taking their rounds, and it's a perfect time to talk about something near and dear to my heart, natural immune support. And today I'm going to show you how to create your own DIY immune boosting roller bottle blend using essential oils that are powerful, effective, and easy to use daily. Plus, I'll be sharing a few simple lifestyle habits to help you stay strong, energized, and resilient all season long. So let's roll right into it. You probably noticed that during fall and winter, our bodies are working extra hard to protect us from the colder weather, the less sunlight, and the more time indoors with circulating germs. And that's where essential oils can really shine. They're not just for making your home smell amazing. Many oils can offer immune supporting properties that help you stay ahead of seasonal threats. Now, here are my top essential oils for immune support. We have On Guard Protective Blend, cleansing and immune boosting. Oregano is the powerhouse oil with strong cleansing properties. Then frankincense supports overall wellness and cell function. Tea tree is great for purifying and cleansing. And then lemon supports lymphatic drainage and detox. And finally, we have eucalyptus and rosemary. They open the airways and support respiratory health. Now, here are some easy DIY immune support roller bottle blends. These roller bottles are some of my go-to tools. They are pre-diluted, easy to apply on the go, and make it effortless to stay consistent. So here are two of my favorite blends for immune support during the cold season. Number 1, Daily Defense. Now use this one as your daily wellness booster. It's 5 drops On Guard, 3 drops frankincense, and 2 drops lemon. You fill the rest of the 10 ml roller bottle with fractionated coconut oil. Now, you can apply this oil to the bottom of your feet, the back of your neck, or the spine every morning before going into public spaces. And then blend number 2 is Kick the Crud to the Curb. Use this one at the first sign of sniffles or fatigue. Now, this has 3 drops oregano, 3 drops tea tree, and 2 drops frankincense. Also add 2 drops lemon. And then fill the rest of the 10 ml bottle with fractionated coconut oil. Now apply to the bottoms of your feet or along the spine, and always wash your hands after using oregano. It can really be a very strong oil. Now, quick tip, label your roller bottles with fun names like Wellness Warrior or Germ Shield, and keep them by the front door or in your purse or next to your kids' backpacks for easy application. Now, essential oils are amazing, but they're even more powerful when combined with healthy habits. Think of them as the icing on your wellness cake. So here are a few simple shifts that can really boost your immune resilience. Hydrate with a twist. Add a drop of lemon or wild orange to your stainless steel water bottle to support the lymphatic flow and digestion. Hydration is key for flushing toxins. And then prioritize rest. Try diffusing lavender, cedarwood, or the Serenity blend before bed to promote deep sleep. Your body does major immune repair while you're resting. And then eat the rainbow. Fill your plate with colorful whole foods and try adding turmeric or ginger, or better yet, use the essential oils to soups, teas, or smoothies. Now diffuse defensively. Try this diffuser blend to cleanse the air and uplift your mood. 2 drops On Guard, 2 drops lemon, and 1 drop eucalyptus, and 1 drop frankincense. It smells amazing and gives your immune system a little nudge. Now, these preventative measures are key. But two, when you start feeling a bit under the weather, quickly start to apply these natural solutions and support your body's immunity and healing support. My friends, supporting your immune system naturally doesn't have to be complicated or overwhelming. With a couple of roller bottles and a few intentional habits, you're already setting yourself up for a stronger season. Start where you are, pick 1 or 2 ideas to implement, and then build from there. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss a new natural living tip. Let me know in the comments what your favorite oil for immune support is or your go-to healthy habit during this cold season. And hey, check the description for a free printable guide with these roller bottle recipes and wellness tips that you can hang on your fridge or share with a friend. Stay well and be kind to yourself. Until next time.